No?
Still not on.
Okay. Probably that bloody battery.
Definitely not on. It's definitely the top one, is it?
Is the light on?
No.
Is it flashing?
No.
It's not coming on.
No. Is anybody home?
The lights are on, but nobody's home.
Not today.
You got a protective cover on that thing?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't miss that. You've got one on yours,
Yeah. Right. Which way? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Domination, isn't it? So there's different areas we've got to hold.
I think it's any areas. Take your pick. But I guess we just want to
Well, you've got
fight
a
forward.
light, haven't you, on the wall? And I think there'd be one in that room with the tall tiles.
Yeah, the red
I
room.
think there'd be one there.
Definitely in there. I think it's probably in that archway.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'll follow you.
Yeah, it wouldn't stop leaking. Good or something. For it. Yeah, it wouldn't stop leaking.
No good. 4 mils? No good.
Brush is getting good, that one.
I'm open. So I'm sorry, it's better
Down that side, work away.
Right.
What you want to do is go up there.
Should better move.
Taking edge.
So if you go into the centre and go right. Quicker rather than that labyrinth.
Right.
Yeah, it'll be quicker one.
Let's go centre and turn right there.
I've got one.
You can get caught if you go too far down the centre.
Unless you want to literally beeline, like just
Straight down to that
head
room.
straight down
Might do. Yeah, it might
to
be
that far
good.
corner.
Right, game on. Go on, boys, step forward, back.
Oh, fucking hell. Sorry, mate. Ow. Ow. Red. Sorry, mate. Stay down.
Sorry, mate.
Right.
I'll take that. Don't hit me. Oh, right on the bollock. Good grenade.
Hit! Ow! Shit! Dead player, dead player, dead player! Dead player, dead player! Dead player! Dead player! Oh. Just had a sick run, man. Hey?
My gun's fucked again, so...
Oh, go and get the pistol. Oh, mate.
Also, mate.
Coming through, don't shoot me in the back. Coming past you.
Yeah, go.
Did you get me?
I'm pretty sure, but carry on.
No, it's alright. Dead player. Dead player, dead player. Oh.
Go on.
Cheers, buddy.
Yeah.
We're doing alright, we're doing alright.
So we got two.
Keep it up, Reds. They're not down there, mate.
Yeah, I know.
Are you alright?
Boy. We've got man watching me, but I can't see right. Dead man. Holy shit.
Move forward! I think you got me. Good shooting. Dead player, dead player. Dead player. Dead player. Ow! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Keep going, Reds. We're doing good. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, nice grenade. Boom. Ah, hit. Oh my god. Ow! Fucking hell, why? We're doing real good. We're doing real good. We're doing alright. Now's not the time to be snoozing. Oh. Right. Come back for that. Right, let's keep going. What the hell happened? Everyone's dead. What can you see?